So the Skills Workstream has three areas of focus. The first area is to work with the Science Industry Partnership and the recommendations that were made from the report in 2016. A lot of those recommendations have made it through as part of the Life Sciences Strategy document. I'm really pleased to see the government adopting a lot of those recommendations. The second area is on advanced therapies, specifically supporting the skills needs of that sector with the technician scientist at level 5 and the technician for manufacturing at level 3. And fantastic news recently, there's an additional £1.5 million been made available to help with that funding. The third area is to really work on the sector connectivity. The workstream comprises of people from academia, industry, trade associations and Royal Societies, and it's around really connecting up across that ecosystem. The one thing to really make an impact is to get a unified voice around the requirements of the industry that's aligned across academia, funders and the industry, and present that to government, specifically to ensure we have the skills we need both from further education and from the apprenticeship system to allow growth now and in the future. So the focus of the Skills Workstream is really to help drive the growth agenda by ensuring we have the skills for success today, and also that we have the skills going forward for the advancing technologies that are coming through to continue to deliver best-in-class care to patients.